Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the Dollar Tree. Just wanted to come back through and see what new items they had. So they still have these welcome signs right here with the hearts. They still have love in red and in this color right here. They have home. They have the red truck, the camper. Love is all you need. They have all of those. They have the doorknobs there. Happy Valentine. They have the pink and red hearts. They have the little red truck here. Have that. Put that back there. They have the little beer. They have this one right here. All right, so they still have the roses out. They started to put out some of their spring flowers, as you can see. They have some of those white vases up there. And as you can see, they're still putting out their Valentine things here. But I'm gonna turn around here and they have some of the little shadow boxes here. Love, Happy Valentine. This one here. They have the white, the pink, and the red monkeys. They have a lot of the heart dollies in red, pink, and white. They also have the bigger ones here. They have these treat sacks here. You get 3. They come in red, and then they come in pink. They have these table scatters right here in pink and red. They have these little tumblers right here, the little jars. And they have these right here in pink. And they have the red ones with the heart. Also, here's another one right here, and it has little sayings on it, love. Alright, so they have some of the bigger mailboxes. I think I showed you the smaller ones, but they have this one right here. They have this one. And they have this one here, that's a really bigger one. They have the little heart boxes right here, be mine, love, Happy Valentine's Day. And they have the ones with the bigger heart tops. They have those. Some of the necklaces here. They have the infinity scars, that one, and they also have this one right here. A lot of the confetti. And the party favors. They have the little cupcake erasers. They have the pencils, different ones. They have that one. Let's see if they have any more. They also have this one right here. If you can see that. The felt stickers, they have those. All right, so they have all of that right there with the red hearts. They have these totes here. You're amazing. Your tote's amazing. The XOXO one. And they have that one to hang. They have those. They have some of the gift paper here at the bottom with the hearts and pink. And they have a lot of the gift bags. You get a set of 3. This bag right here is really pretty. Be my Valentine, love. They have some of these frosted loop bags here. You get a total of 6. Happy Valentine. They have those right there. More bags. That one is pretty, that says love, the hearts, Happy Valentine. And they have a lot of the decorative shred, and silver, red, some pink down here. Some more of the treat sacks. They have those. Also in purple. Alright, so here are some of the homemade cards here. Look at this one right here that says XOXO with the little dog. They have this one right here. My special someone. To the sweetest daughter. But I love their homemade cards here. Happy Valentine's Day. My partner, my husband, my love. Be mine. We have a lot of those. They have a lot of the plush toys, plush dolls up here. You get different ones. The little unicorn. You still have that one right there. And of course they have candy galore. They started to put out the candies. Look at the Junior Mint ones. They comes with the heart. And the inside has some type of gel on the inside. They have the treat sacks with twisters. Conversation hearts. And I know everybody remembers these right here, the candy bracelets. We have these. They have the Tootsie Rolls, Be Mine. That's what they look like. And they have a pink container. Alright, so they have tons and tons of socks. This one says Ready to Flamingo. We put that back there. They have this one right here that says, what does this one say? Love. They have the one with the cat. They have the gnome. They have these. The sloth. They have these little elastic head wraps here. You get a set of 3. Silver, pink, and red. They have the glitter hearts. The glitter decor that says love. A lot of the DIY hearts. This one says home with a heart. They have XOXO, love. And they have a lot of the glitter tulle here at the bottom. And look how cute this wrap is right here. You're my person. And the tulle comes in white, red, and pink. You also get the hearts here. A little sloth on that. The hearts. XOXO. This one right here says I picked you. Alright, and I think I showed you this on my last Dollar Tree haul, but they still have this table scatters. They have the phone stickers. They have the LED light strings. The felt hearts in small and white, pink. They have the bigger ones in white, pink, and red. They have the hearts in pink and red that says love. Felt stickers here. They have a larger decorative mesh in pink, red, and white. And they have these craft bottles here. They come with the red tops and the gold. Alright, so on this little middle cap right here, they have these large glasses. You can use them as glasses or vase. It says love on the front. They have these little heart bins right here. You get a set of 2. And they come in red and I see pink. They have these right here, these little buckets right here. They have the bowls that shaped as hearts. They have the Cupid corner bucket. They have the rose infused sponge. The bath sponge is rose infused. And those. They have some of the little heart books here. Love books. Best friends. Be my Valentine. They have some of the bath bombs here. XO in red. And they have it in pink, shaped as a heart. Alright, so they have these right here. You are my person. All you need is love. Together is my favorite place to be. And they also have that one that says love there. They have some of the flavored lip oils, or they have the, what is this right here? Doesn't say what flavor. This is pomegranate passion. And they have midnight mint. More of the books. They have some of the rose infused exfoliating bath gloves here. Are those? So they have some of the little cute kid sunglasses in red and pink. They have the frosted loop bags here. They have some of the tin buckets right here, like this. And this one here. They have the heart-shaped tin cans here. Smitten. Love. I slow you much. The little sloth. And your tote's amazing. And they have a lot of these boxes right here. These little boxes here. Be mine. And they have these right here, the totes. Alright, so they have some of the little pink and purple boxes here. I also see turquoise. And they have the white one here. They have those. They're still putting things out as we speak here. They still have a lot of Christmas items out here. More of the socks. And on this end cap right here, they have the Mardi Gras. I think I showed you this on my last one. They have those. They have Happy New Year. They have the feather boas. The holographic horns. They have the beaded necklaces with the little shot glasses in blue and red. I see purple and yellow at the bottom. More horns. And they have the balloons here that says New Year or Happy. All right, so they put out some of their fairy items. They have the little whale. They have this, the little ice cream truck. Welcome. They have the little tractor. The camper. Welcome. And they have the little figurines here. They have the little brown gnomes there. Look at those. And they have a brown fairy. I see the little brown gnome right there, but they have two little girls here. They have a little girl and a little boy brown gnome. And they have the gnome here in brown. Those are really cute. Here's some more gnomes here at the bottom. They have the frogs here. He's laying down. He's chilling. He's resting. This one, he's standing up. And this one here, I'm not sure what he's doing, but he's doing something. Alright, so they have some of the little growing kits that they brought back. They have basil. I see strawberry, tomato. What is this one right here? Coneflower. They have daisy and the sunflower. They have all of those. They have the hummingbird wildflower blend. They have all of those right there. They have the decorative plant ties with the little frogs. Look how cute those are. I love the little the jute twine. They have the seed starters here, the pots. And what are these right here? These are plant clips. This is what they look like. 2 sizes, 20 pieces. All right, so they have some candle holders here. Look how cute those are. They say love, but it comes in white, the purple, the pink, and I think this is an orange, but those are really pretty. Very pretty. They still have those aroma diffusers there. They still have these. And they have these little glass jars with the little flower on the inside. They have yellow, pink, and I see a blue one back here. That's what they look like. And I also see purple. They also have these ones right here. They come in different colors. Different colors. Still have the jars of seashells. Alright guys, so I'm back up here at the front. I just wanted to pop into the Dollar Tree and see what new items that they had out. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys. They still have the heart wrench phones here. Still have those.